Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Hisham. Today we are here to give you a presentation for one of the latest launches that happening in a JVC. This time it's going to be by Pace Homes, and these guys, they have launched this location you see on the screen exactly, and it's only a few minutes from the Remraam Community Park. Now what we will do, we will jump into the screen with one of the sales manager to give us a full detailed presentation like a payment plan, and we're gonna speak a little bit about the prices, and then we will jump into the model.
Today we will talk about our new launch. It's Sky Harmony, branded by Natuzzi Harmony. So as we know that this is our second project which is branded by the same brand. It's an Italian brand, it's a luxury brand as well. So the first one, it was in Dubai Island after the success of it. So we try to launch a new project in JVC. So this is the design of the building, how it will look. So we know the JVC, the access of it, so it's between three main roads, which is Hessa Road, Al Khair Road and Mohammed bin Zayed Road. And for the last 4 years, JVC, it was one of the top area concerning the rent, the sale, and for the ROI as well. So this is the location of the project. It's in the main entrance of JVC, access to Al Khair Road. As we mentioned, we will have different types of units, studios, 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom, and we have only 4 units penthouse that it will be in the rooftop. So in terms of the design, as we mentioned, it will be Italian brand, which is Natuzzi. So all our units, it's coming with private jacuzzi in the balcony, starting for the size of 400 up to 450 square feet. This is the design, how it will look. We have also the 1 bedroom. It's coming with study room and classic units. So the size is coming from 750 up to 920 square feet. This is the layout. All the units is coming with private jacuzzi in the balcony. It's a semi-furnished kitchen with all the kitchen appliances. And this is the 2 units apartment, which is coming with study rooms as well. The size is starting from 1012 square feet. All the amenities, it will be we have 1 floor dedicated for the amenities, which is the first floor. This is the penthouses. We have from 1,800 square feet up to 2,400 square feet with specific amenities in the rooftop, private swimming pool and jacuzzi in the first floor. This is the layout. So we have, the floor plan. So we have 2 different floor plans. So from 2nd floor till the 6th floor, it will be a typical floor plan. And from the 7th floor up to the 11th floor, it will be different layout also. And this is the floor plan for the 12th floor, which is the penthouses. And we have also 4 units, 1 bedroom, which is having the view for the pool and the amenities. This is the rooftop for the penthouses with the amenities as well. And in this project, we are providing more than 20 amenities. So we will have like a panoramic swimming pool, kids play area, jacuzzi, aerobic area, library. So all the amenities, it will be deducted for the first floor. All is for the amenities. This is the amenities floor plan. And the interior design, all is provided by Natuzzi, as we mentioned in the beginning. All the ceramics and the tiles that we are using is Italian brand. This is the interior design for the kitchen. Here how it will look, the amenities in the first floor. This is the rooftop. And we have 3 units of retail shop in the entrance. For sale, yes. And here we reach the payment plan, which is 20% down payment, 40% during construction, which is related to the construction stage, and 40% up and handover.